So today's video basically is a shorts on how to dig out these stumps that are pretty much rotted. So if you're trying to find a way to dig out tree stumps, you see this thing is quite hard, but some parts are really soft. Okay, so basically you use a fence pole like this, okay, and then just stab it in, pry it out, and just repeat. So it's like death by 1,000 cuts, and everything just gets pried out. So I'll keep you updated and see how I go. So I've managed to stab it and pry it, and now I've exposed a root. Mind you, this stump is pretty rotten, but then there's some hard stuff here. So you use a mattock with a cutting edge, and then after that I'm pretty much going to just bash it out. So yeah, save you sometimes from asking the people to do stump grinding. If you can do this, save you some dollars. So after about 10-20 bashes from both sides, I just cut it out. So after about 5 minutes of bashing around using the flat side to just pry out as much wood as possible from the inside, all that's left now is this hard bit, which I'm going to try and use the pick to pry it out. So after using the pick to pry out all the dirt around, 1, 2, 3, this is the hard stuff. This is actually a root. This is another root. So my strategy is just basically cut. You could use a tungsten tip chainsaw to do it. I didn't bring it because I was just wanting to just cut it out. So yeah, and not everyone has a tungsten tip chain for a chainsaw. As I cut into this section, so this is a root. Basically next thing I'm going to do is to get the mattock and just cut here and be done with this section. This is quite challenging. Let's see if I can do this at this session. Then next we'll deal with all this stuff. I've taken my branch saw to just saw here, or even actually up to here because it's exposed, and then after that I'm going to saw this because it's too tiring to use the freaking digger to try and bash it because it doesn't cut. Basically what that mattock does is to just crack it, and these are just super fibrous and still fresh, so the way to do it is to cut. So this is now sawed off and that's gone. Now we're trying to figure out how to take out this. One way for this one to be removed is that I can just saw here and here. That's one way. And then this one, I'm going to take the pick and try and get more of it out. Maybe I'll just squish it, crack it. I'll keep you posted next bit. So I gave it a few more stabs. Yeah, this part split. This part's just very stabbed. So this area is gonna get cut with the saw. Pretty much, you see, this is just one root here. Okay. So this is just a connector. So sawing this will come out. This is the pain in the ass part. Hard. I've managed to chisel part of it off with the flat side. So I'm going to keep chiseling at it away till this whole space has got no more woody, stumpy, rooty stuff. Let's go. And the job is done. So all you got to do if you've got such a situation is to get some coarse river sand, fill it up. Don't use topsoil because rain will wash it away. Sand does not. Thanks for watching.